Okay, let's have our quiz for the second Accu webinar. No? Number one, in TCM, which seasonal condition is associated with yang qi dispersing and increased sweating?
Sweating. Summer heat, Doc.
Of course. According to the holistic concept, which of the following is not considered a part of the body's organic whole?
Organic cold.
And
Organic.
external meridians.
External.
Ang bagal. Okay. 9 orifices.
Wait lang, nag-isip ako.
Okay, bilangin niyo yung mga orifice niyo, ha? You count all of your holes there. They include the urethra and the anus, which are primarily governed by which yin organ?
Kidney.
Yes.
Kidney.
Oh, delayed. Okay. In the process of difficulties, which yin organ is responsible for sense of smell?
Lungs.
Yeah, okay. What happened to you? to Sir Mark, okay? The small intestine
Doc.
primary channel originates at which acupuncture point?
SIP5. SI3. Shout. SI1, sorry.
SI1.
Shout.
Oh.
Why is it the same?
SI1.
Yeah,
It's
SI1.
well, that's SI. Because it has
SI.
to be linked to heart 9, no?
SI.
Which point marks the junction where the small intestine channel meets the Dumai vessel?
214.
Correct. Which organ is linked to the 5 flavors of taste? Huh? All 5 flavors.
The heart.
Yes. So if you are going to have a heart attack, then expect a problem. In the hierarchy of syndrome differentiation, which diagnostic method is not among the 4 traditional methods?
Radiography.
Yes.
Radiography.
Oh, you have heart imbalance, Sir Mark. Yeah?
Yes, Doctor. Wala ka ako. Tutok lang muna nga ako.
You have to think fast. Uy, punta kayo ng Cebu, July 25. No? Sister Rosa, please go. See you all in Cebu.
Oh, my spirit did not allow me to go.
Oh. Okay. Too bad. Which of the following pulse qualities indicates excess condition?
Full repeat.
Very good. The lower Hosi point of the small intestine channel is located at which point?
Stomach 39.
Very good. That's SI, lower Hosi point, stomach 39. The external pathway of the small intestine channel ascends to which facial point? That's why you have to needle this if you want to lift your face, no?
SI 18.
Yes, SI 18. Okay, remember that.
SI 18.
Gua sha tool, press on it all the time, no? Yeah. Which organ's qi is said to communicate with the inner canthus of the eye, according to the classic of difficulties?
Inner can. Kidneys.
Huh? Yeah. Yeah.
Inner canthus.
Oh nga pala, inner canthus is bladder. So it's kidney.
Bladder, kidney.
I was thinking heart. Okay, kidney pala, sorry. Yeah, kidney. Number 13, in the Yuan dynasty, which physician expanded Ao's record of the golden mirror to 36 illustrations? This is about the tongue. Huh?
Tu Ching Pi.
Which tongue coating color was not described in Tu Ching Pi's Yuan dynasty text?
Green.
Color green.
Yeah, they're even now. The yin-yang connection of the second great circuit links SI1 to which heart point?
Heart 9.
Heart 9. South Song.
Wow. Which of the following is the primary function of the SI channel?
Separating clear from turbid.
The SI channel's internal branch intersects the conception vessel at which point before entering the stomach?
Ren 13. Chang 1.
Yeah. Yeah, this is also very good for GERD, promise. Which acupuncture point is described as the lower Hossi point of the SI and is located on the lower leg? I think this was asked earlier.
Lower leg points. Stomach 39.
Yes. In
Jushu.
context of geographical influence, TCM suggests that acclimatization to a new climate primarily involves adjustment of which body component?
Chi.
Oh, fast. Which of the following is not one of the 6 easily perceived pulse characteristics?
And
Tense.
tense.
Yeah, very difficult. The ear anatomy term anti-helix cruise refers to which part of the auricle?
The upper Y-shaped ridge.
Very good. In the treatment of a common cold, a practitioner would select a pungent warm herb for which syndrome?
Pungent. Wind cold.
Which of the following best describes the relationship between syndrome differentiation and treatment in TCM?
Syndromes. Differentiation. Validate treatment. Efficacy.
Very good. The phrase Yang Qi rises in the morning primarily explains which physiological phenomenon?
Physiological. Heightened alertness during the day.
Yeah. Which organ's qi is said to communicate with the mouth for taste, according to the classic of difficulties?
Heart.
Spleen.
Spleen. Mouth. It communicates with the mouth for the taste. The SI channel passes through which of the following bladder points before reaching do 14?
Bladder 41. Phofen.
In pulse diagnosis, a deep and weak pulse felt in the rear position suggests deficiency of which organ? Very easy.
Kidney.
The third level kidney.
Very late. Which of the following is a primary indication for using gua sha on the lower limbs according to the protocol?
Chronic
lower limb heaviness.
So we have to walk all the time. Don't use the car or bus, no? The point bladder 1 is located at which anatomical landmark?
Landmark. Inner canthus of the eye.
Very good. Which organ is associated with the sense of touch according to the 9 orifice discussion?
Sense of touch.
No
organ is an organ.
The spiritual axis description of disease color changes links a greenish nose area to disease in which organ? Liver. Which of the following is not a recognized meridian for a move point on the abdomen?
Stomach 36. Susanli.
The hand yin-yang connection of the second great circuit involves which 2 primary channels?
Small intestine and heart.
Which ear structure is described as a triangular fossa?
It is depression between antihelix cruise and helix.
The geographical influence concept suggests that relocating to a markedly colder climate will initially affect which bodily function the most?
Chi circulation.
The following points is not part of the SI channel's meeting points with other channels.
GB20.
GB20.
Okay. Organ's qi is responsible for differentiating black from white.
Black or white liver.
Yes. Which pulse characteristic is most directly used to differentiate between heat and cold conditions?
Heat and cold condition. Speed, fast versus slow.
The lower limb gua sha protocol recommends scraping which 2 points on the rear of the knee and shin, respectively. What 2 points?
Bladder 14
bladder 57.
And 57. Very good. Which organ is linked to the inner canthus of the eye in the 9 orifices organ correspondence table?
Liver.
Which of the following is the correct sequence of the SI channel's external pathway from the hand to the neck?
Mula sa sa maliit na kamay, SI1, SI6, SI8, pataas, SI10, SI12, SI14, Do14, ST12, SI18.
Correct. Wow, amazing. Which point is described as the lower border of the spinous process of C7, where the small intestine meets the dumai?
C7 katumbas po ito ng
214.
214.
Pulse diagnosis, a rapid floating pulse, is most indicative of which condition?
Rapid floating heat.
Heat. Which organ's chi is said to communicate with the ears, allowing perception of the 5 sounds?
Kidney.
Kidney.
E. What is the primary therapeutic effect of scraping on the lower limbs?
Smooth meridians, vital energy, and blood promote circulation.
Yes, very good. Which of the following is not a symptom of interior SI pathology?
Anterior neck
Neck.
stiffness.
Yes, that's exterior. In the ear anatomy section, which structure is described as the opening to the ear canal?
Auditory
Auditory
meatus.
The small intestine channel's internal branch intersecting the conception vessel at run 17 is associated with which organ?
The 17, the heart.
Wow. Which principle underlies the relationship between syndrome differentiation and therapeutic effect? I think this is
Successful differentiation is proven by effective.
very good.
Tama.
The hand yin-yang connection involves a branch separating from which primary channel?
Heart.
Which of the following points is not part of the SI channel's route?
SI9.
Wow. The spiritual axis associates a greenish eye color with pathology in which structure?
Green color. Oo nga, liver.
Which of the following is the correct pairing of an organ and its associated sense organ in the 9 orifice table?
Di ba
Heart,
pag
tongue.
heart, tongue?
Yes. In the description of the SI channel, which point is said to intersect the LI channel?
SI14.
SI14?
Yes. Which of the following is not a characteristic used in pulse diagnosis?
Not. Rhythm.
Rhythm. The lower limb gua sha protocol suggests standing on tiptoes to relax which muscle group?
Chin. Muscles.
Which of the following terms
Chin.
describes the overall summary of pathological changes?
Syndrome.
Pathological syndrome.
Which point is identified as the outer canthus branch point of the SI channel?
SI.
Outer canthus,
GB1.
GB1. In the brief history of tongue diagnosis, which dynasty is credited with making tongue diagnosis a separate specialty?
Yuan, sir. Yuan.
Which organ is linked to the external pathway signs such as cheek pain and occipital stiffness?
Pag-cheek. Small intestine.
Wow, very good. Which of the following is not part of the SI channel's connections with other Zangfu organs?
Siyempre, kapag hindi SI. Lung 7.
Okay. Which pulse characteristic is most directly useful for distinguishing interior versus exterior conditions?
Pag exterior, depth. Depth.
Yeah. Which pulse characteristic, actually this is the first thing that you have to observe, no? Is the pulse deep? So interior, diba? Automatic. Which pulse characteristic, in the context of seasonal influence, which yin organ's chi is described as being stored during winter?
Kidney.
So you have to devise a program that will protect the kidneys of everyone. So we need to educate our patients, no? Oo, kasi ang hirap. Like if you don't take care of it.
Yes.
Like yesterday I was in Cebu. I had a patient, very young, 50 male. He had a tumor growing out of the kidney and it's metastasizing to the lungs. So ubo siya ng ubo. The tumor is enlarged. But the reason why he went to see a doctor is because there was a huge lump on the right upper extremity. No? Can you imagine? Sa may lung area, lung channel. Can you imagine that? Okay, so ngayon, okay, why do you have that mass? No? Okay, according to his MRI, merong mga lymph nodes na in the axilla. So that's stage 4. But he still looks alive. I hope he survives. He did not do biopsy anymore because it's too obvious. So maybe next time I'll show you the picture. I hope he can make it. So I'm just trying to show you that the reason, of course, that the patient will not have did not consult because alam niya may kidney issue siya, but it's because nag-metastasize na sa lungs.
So lungs niya.
Now you could see, pag ganun,
Mga
diba, it's the kidney and the lungs, and now enlarge yung liver niya. Okay?
damay din yung liver.
Oo. Yeah. And the blood sugar is high. So, yun. So, if the heart is affected, then that's and then the tongue is very red. Sige lang. In the context of seasonal influence, alam na natin to. Kaya take care of the liver, the kidney, ha? Kasi 'di ba kanina, if you were listening to the lecture, if you take care of your kidney, you also improve the liver, and vice versa. Which of the following is not a function of the SI channel?
Governing respiration.
The classic of difficulties indicates that the sense of taste is a function of which organ or organs?
Both spleen and heart.
Yes. In the geographical influence, kaya ano ha? You need to make sure your spleen and heart are in good working condition. Otherwise, your sense of taste will be affected. Okay? In the geographical influence discussion, which factor is not mentioned as influencing physiological activities?
Diet.
Yes. Which of the following is a characteristic of a weak pulse in TCM?
Slow and
deep.
Slow.
and soft.
Sorry. Thin and soft. Why is slow and deep wrong?
Deep
Okay.
is
Deep is interior, not weak.
deep is inferior.
Oo.
First
Deep
low.
pag inferior.
Oo. So the
Inferior.
But
answer
but
would be
but
thin and
slow.
soft. It's so payat and soft.
Low stereo.
Okay, everybody should remember that, huh? Before you say it's weak, it should be payat and soft. Good. Which organ is considered the governing vessel for the upper orifices in the classic of difficulties?
Liver.
Liver.
The small intestine channel intersects the bladder channel at which 2 points?
Bladder 41 and 11.
Bladder 11, yes. Which of the following is not a step in the lower limb gua sha protocol for the GB30 and stomach 35 points?
That's not DB35. DB4, bladder
GB4 and bladder 52
simultaneously.
Not
Which is not, huh? So
Yes.
the wrong answer here is
DB4, bladder 52.
yes. Which
Simon.
is linked to the eyeball color changes indicating disease in the sinews?
Liver.
Liver. So, di ba, now we know, no? If you have issues with your sinews, your joints, the eyeball color, you try to
Problema ka na sa liver.
have issues there sa mata. Which of the following is an atypical exterior sign of SI pathology?
Neck pain.
Yeah. No.
Lower abdomen.
Lower
distension.
abdomen distension. Not pala not.
In the hierarchy of TCM diagnostics, which of the following is considered the fourth diagnostic method? The fourth.
Palpation.
Yes. Which of the following upper orifices are counted as 7?
2 eyes, 2 ears. Nose, mouth, tongue.
Yes.
Two eyes,
Nose, mouth, tongue. 2 eyes, 2 ears, nose, mouth, tongue. A rapid pulse in which wrist position suggests lung qi deficiency?
Front. Soon. On the right.
On the right. Which of the following statements about the small intestine? Remember ha, ano siya, pwede siyang rapid.
Yes.
That's it, diba?
The following about the SI channel's external pathway is false.
It ends at the inner canthus of
Yes. Which pulse characteristic is used to differentiate between excess and deficiency condition?
Strength,
Okay.
replete versus weak.
Which of the following is a correct description of the antitragus?
Antitragus. Small, cervical opposite the tragus, superior to the earlobe.
Very good. Which organ tree is associated with the sense of taste in a general sense?
Kapag
Spleen.
taste, panlasa, spleen.
Yeah, general ha. The body's functional activities depend on
Letter B.
Depend. Tama. Essence, chi, blood, and bloody fluid.
Yeah, correct answer is B. Which organs are central in TCM?
Zang organs.
Yes. At night, yang qi,
Yang chi stays internal.
adaptation to new environment,
Gradual adjustment.
yes. Meridians connect,
All body parts.
urination increases in
Urination.
winter.
Winter.
TCM
Winter pa.
emphasizes
Integration.
integration. Common cold may be,
Wind cold and wind heat.
yes. Pathogenic factors include
Wind heat cold.
tongue relates to
The
Heart.
heart.
5 flavors distinction.
Heart.
Heart.
In general, spleen. Ibig sabihin, you just have the sense of taste. But if you want to be very specific, it should be the heart, no?
Pag specific, doc, heart. Kapag general, spleen yung ano.
May panlasa lang.
Panlasa lang. Pero
Sa
pag
atin,
lahat ng panlasa, heart.
yes. So nalalasahan po ba yung bitter, sour, pungent? Ay. Okay. Blocked orifices indicate
Organ imbalance.
organ imbalance. Lips reflect
Spleen.
tagal. SI intersects with
Do.
Do channel.
first tongue book.
Golden.
Mirror.
Pulse alone can
Diagnosis.
diagnose. Kaya there's someone there in Ongpin, no? Puro pulse lang siya. Grabe. Anti-helix is
Inner ridge.
inner ridge. Mu points are located at
Chest and abdomen.
Brand 12 is
Stomach.
varicose
Stomach.
veins.
Not suitable.
Wow, congratulations. Thank you very much. You all did well. Join us again next time.